Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm showing you how you can make your own coasters. So let's start. So we need a piece of fabric, a cardboard, any plastic, color and brush, fabric glue or Fevicol. I cut the cardboard into 4 pieces. They should be in square shape. This is 4 by 4 inch. Then I cut the plastic and the fabric to cover the cardboard. Then I start to cover the cardboard in the plastic. Reason I'm doing this because if you spill any liquid, the cardboard will not get wet and damaged. In the same way, I cover the cardboard again with the fabric. Then I sketch 3 of them, but if you want to avoid the sketching part, then just cover it with another colorful fabric, just the way I'm doing it. I paint the other 3 coasters and here is the result. I hope you like this idea. Try it yourself and let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.